How to tell if an email is legitimate? There's a few ways to recognize if an email might be suspicious. Here's just a brief list that can help you out. Any email requesting that you take action on an account or provide personal information via email may be suspicious and should most times not be trusted. Never click directly on links in an email. Hover over them first to check. If an email asks you to submit confidential information via another form or outbound page, this is generally not safe and is a phishing attempt. Anytime you have a suspicion, you should contact the support team or support desk contact for the company in question. If the email is caught in a spam or trash filter and it looks like it may be coming from a suspicious address, reply to, then it should be avoided.